Ever spend hours on a project only to realize a small tool could have saved you all that time? Today, we're diving into 20 must-have woodworking tools that every DIYer and professional needs in their workshop. From precision jigs and clamps to power tools and clever measuring gadgets, these tools will make your work faster, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. Stick around, because some of these tools are real game changers, and I guarantee there's at least one you haven't seen before. Looking to make stronger, cleaner miter joints? This spline jig for table saw and router table is a total game changer. Its adaptive clamping system easily secures frames from thin picture frames to deeper boxes, keeping everything stable. The CNC machined aluminum body delivers incredible precision, less than 0.5 millimeters error, so every spline and dovetail looks flawless. I love the safety-optimized, metal-free path, which protects your blade and reduces risks during cuts. Plus, it's made from military-grade aluminum, so it's super durable yet lightweight and portable. Perfect for picture frames, decorative boxes, and custom projects. This jig takes your joinery to the next level. The Magswitch Universal Featherboard is a true game changer for safer and more precise woodworking. Unlike traditional featherboards, it works on both sides of the blade and even on the fence, giving you incredible flexibility. With two powerful on-off mag switches, each delivering 95 pounds of holding force, it locks firmly in place without the need for a miter slot. Setup is incredibly fast, and adjustments are precise and hassle-free. I love how it improves cutting accuracy and keeps materials steady for cleaner, smoother cuts. Built from durable ABS material, it's designed to last for years. A must-have tool for any serious woodworker. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn, sunken nails, the Crescent sliding joint 19-inch nail puller is a must-have. Its sliding box joint design lets you hammer it right into tough materials, making nail and staple removal quick and effortless. The low-profile jaw grips even deeply embedded nails with minimal damage to the surface. Built from heat-treated forged steel, it's incredibly strong and long-lasting, while the metal strike cap adds extra power when you need it. Plus, the corrosion-resistant finish keeps it in top shape for years. This tool is perfect for pros and DIYers who want durability and efficiency in one package. The Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square Set is a must-have for precise layout work. With both mini and full-size squares, it's perfect for projects of any scale. I love how it lets you carry layout lines seamlessly across corners, saving time and ensuring accurate joinery every time. The Zero Wiggle tension hinge moves smoothly and stays rock solid for consistent results. It's not limited to 90-degree, ideal for angled joints, tenons, splines, and dowels. Crafted from high-quality aluminum and proudly made in the USA, this tool delivers the precision and durability serious woodworkers demand. A fantastic addition to any workshop for flawless layouts. The Rockwell JawStand XP is an absolute lifesaver for anyone working solo on projects. Its micro-height adjustment knob lets you position materials with pinpoint accuracy, perfect for mounting shelves or cabinets. The rubber grip surfaces hold pieces securely without leaving any marks. I love the tripod base with no-slip feet, which stays stable even on uneven ground. The swiveling and tilting head adjusts from 0 to 90 degrees, making it super versatile for any angle. Plus, the built-in bubble level ensures everything is perfectly straight. And thanks to the low-friction surface, materials slide out smoothly when released. A must-have for hassle-free, precise work. The Milescraft TriGrips are a simple but brilliant solution for woodworking, painting, and finishing projects. Their non-slip friction pads hold your work securely in place. No need for clamps while you sand, route, or paint. I love how the 1 3/16-inch elevation lifts projects off the surface, giving you full access to edges for a cleaner finish. The integrated painting supports add even more height, keeping freshly painted surfaces protected with minimal contact. Plus, the self-adjusting internal ballast keeps them stable in any position. These lightweight, durable grippers make every project easier, faster, and cleaner, a must-have for any DIYer or pro woodworker. The Amazon Basics 8-piece wood carving chisel set is perfect for beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike. It includes 6 chisels ranging from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches, plus a honing guide and a dual grit sharpening stone, so your tools stay razor sharp. The heat-treated chrome vanadium steel blades with narrow side bevels deliver clean, precise cuts every time. I really appreciate the comfortable contoured handles, which reduce hand strain and give great control for detailed work. Everything comes neatly stored in a durable blow-molded case, keeping your tools organized and ready to go. A fantastic, affordable set that delivers professional quality results. The Trend Single Pocket Hole Jig is an essential tool for quick, strong, and precise joinery. Its multifunctional design works perfectly on timber from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, whether you're tackling cabinets, furniture, or small projects. I love how the hardened drilling sleeve delivers accurate and consistent pocket holes every single time. No guesswork needed. It's incredibly versatile, adapting to different jointing styles and great for both new builds and repair work. The included HSS drill bit, depth collar, square drive bit, and pocket hole screws mean you're ready to start right out of the box. A reliable, easy-to-use jig every woodworker will appreciate. The Wolfcraft Master 200 Folding Workbench is a powerhouse for any workshop. Its dual MDF jaws, with the front jaw adjustable via 2 convenient handles, hold projects securely while you work. I love the robust base frame, which folds away quickly for space-saving storage, perfect for smaller work areas. The integrated tool rack keeps essentials close at hand, and the included 4 plastic jaws make horizontal clamping simple and effective. With a max load of 180 kilograms, it handles heavy-duty projects with ease. Durable, versatile, and compact, this workbench is a must-have for DIYers and professional woodworkers alike. The DEWALT 20V Max GRABO suction lifter is a game-changer for lifting heavy materials safely and efficiently. With a lift load capacity of up to 265 pounds, it handles both non-porous and semi-porous surfaces with ease, even rough textures. The built-in pressure sensor ensures a reliable vacuum every time, while the bright LED screen and digital pressure gauge keep you informed and in control. I love the audio alarm for low battery and the lift strap attachment hooks for versatile lifting options. Plus, the replaceable vacuum seal and sunshade accessory make maintenance simple. Durable, smart, and cordless, perfect for professional and DIY projects. The Extendable Measuring Stick tool, also known as the pinch stick, is a must-have for precise woodworking and remodeling. It makes cutting perfect-fitting trim for molding, windows, floors, and walls effortless. The set includes a 47-inch extendable rod and an add-on rod for up to 94 inches, giving you full reach for large projects. A mini measure stick handles small spaces from 3-inch to 8, while the Easy Pinch Stick helps square up large cabinets with ease. No numbers, no mistakes, just accurate measurements every time. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to use, it's perfect for pros and DIYers alike. The IRWIN Quick Lift Construction Jacks are an essential tool for anyone working on construction or woodworking projects. Each jack lifts up to 10 inches and supports a weight of 330 pounds, making heavy lifting safe and easy. I love the precision-controlled lowering, which allows fine adjustments for perfect leveling, and the no-load quick release makes setup a breeze. The slim tapered base gives excellent access under tight spaces, while countersunk holes allow flush mounting for added stability. With a pack of 2, you get versatile support for multiple applications. Durable, precise, and reliable, these jacks make any project easier. The Franklin Sensor's Professional Stud Finder is a must-have for precise wall projects. With 13 patented sensors, it detects studs with incredible accuracy, giving you confidence in every measurement. The wide LED display shows both the center and edges of studs simultaneously, so you see the full width at a glance. It scans up to 1.6 inches deep and auto-adjusts for drywall, making it quick and reliable, no calibration needed. Just press and hold to locate studs instantly. Lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for wood or metal studs, the Pro Sensor 710 takes the guesswork out of any wall project. The GALAX Pro 4-amp circular saw is a compact yet powerful cutting tool perfect for DIYers and pros alike. Its 4-amp motor delivers 3,500 RPM, slicing smoothly through wood, PVC, laminate, plastic, plasterboard, and MDF with the included 24T TCT blade. I love the built-in laser guide and parallel guide, which ensure perfectly straight, precise cuts every time. With a bevel lever for 0 to 45 degrees angled cuts and an adjustable depth gauge up to 1 and 11/16 inches, it's incredibly versatile. The vacuum adapter keeps your workspace clean, while its lightweight, ergonomic design makes one-handed operation a breeze. A reliable, precise, and handy circular saw. The Works Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table and Sawhorse is the ultimate portable workstation. I love how it sets up in seconds and folds down compactly for easy storage or transport. Its 2-in-1 design transitions effortlessly from a sturdy workbench to a powerful Sawhorse, handling up to 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a Sawhorse. The 31-inch by 25-inch surface and 32-inch height provide plenty of workspace for woodworking, painting, or repairs. Built from durable ABS plastic with steel supports, it's tough, yet lightweight at only 30 pounds. Plus, the integrated clamping system with 2 clamps and 4 clamp dogs keeps every project secure and precise. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a must-have tool for any woodworker who values precision. Measuring 1 1/8 inches by 2 inches, it's perfect for checking the edges of cutting tools and ensuring accurate 90-degree setups. I love its lightweight, pocket-sized design, which makes it super convenient to carry around the workshop or keep in its custom tray. The machined aluminum construction is durable yet gentle, so it won't chip your tools, while the dark red anodized finish makes it easy to spot gaps for precise adjustments. Proudly made in the USA, this mini square is reliable, accurate, and ideal for quick checks during any project. The Wolfcraft Universal Wedge is a simple yet incredibly versatile tool every DIYer and pro should have. These 2-in-1 wedges work perfectly as spacing guides for expansion joints or as reliable wedges for positioning and leveling materials. I love the push-fit connection, which allows you to easily adjust the size in either wedge or block shape. No need for multiple tools. Their secure hold keeps everything in place, saving time by reducing constant readjustments during your projects. Compact, durable, and easy to use, these wedges are a smart solution for precise installations in flooring, paneling, or any other construction task. If you're looking for a powerful yet precise sander for tight spaces, the WEN Variable Speed Detailing File Sander is a game changer. Its variable speed dial lets you adjust the belt from 1,080 to 1,800 feet per minute, giving you total control for any project. The auto-tracking belt system means no more time-consuming tensioning or adjustments. I love how the 1/2 by 18-inch belt pivots up to 55 degrees, making it perfect for tricky angles and corners. The tool-free belt changes are quick and convenient, and with 3 sanding belts, a dust port attachment, and a 2-year warranty, it's built for both performance and reliability. Need a reliable way to clamp awkward or irregularly shaped objects? The Pony Jorgensen Adjustable Rapid Acting Band Clamp is the perfect solution. It features non-marring 1-by-1-inch jaws that fit snugly on corners, ideal for gluing and assembly work. The metal levers allow for quick and precise adjustments, while the large, comfortable handle makes tightening easy. With its 1-inch by 15-foot durable nylon band, you get a strong, secure hold every time. Compact yet sturdy, it measures 14 by 12.2 by 4.8 inches and weighs just 1 pound, making it a must-have tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Tired of clogged vacuum filters and lost suction? The Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy 2.5 Deluxe is a total game-changer for your workshop. Using patented neutral vein technology, it removes up to 99.9% of dust and debris before reaching your vacuum, keeping airflow strong and filters clean. The 10-gallon steel drum with caster wheels makes it highly portable, while its adaptable design works with almost any wet/dry vacuum. Perfect for wood dust, drywall, metal shavings, and more. It's a durable, money-saving solution that extends filter life and keeps your workspace clean. Proudly made in the USA, it's built to last. Those were 20 incredible woodworking tools that can truly level up your workshop. If you found a tool that caught your eye, or maybe one you're excited to try, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips, reviews, and tools to make your DIY projects easier and more precise. Thanks for watching, and happy building!